Good morning, guys, and welcome to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, I am Senate Steve. This is my F450. We got the Urban Bourbon down here, and guys, I did a little bit of Halloween decorating. So as you guys do know, there's this guy running around the internet right now just destroying vehicles called Whistling Diesel. Well, I decided to kind of have some fun and do a little decorating for Halloween for myself. So right over my shoulder here is my Halloween decorations, and Cody, go ahead and enjoy. Bam, there you go. There's my opinion, but I mean, the guy's having fun, guys. You can't knock him. He's out here smiling every video. You guys are literally upset for what he's doing, so I decided, why not upset the internet? Plus, I mean, I might as well grab some clout from this, right? All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and roll the footage from today, and it actually has to do with the Urban Bourbon anyway, so let's enjoy the rap video. All right, roll the footage from today. Now I'm done being goofy. They be watching hard for me now at daycare. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I love this intro. You guys hate it, but if you guys are new to the channel, I am Senate Steve. We got the F450, we got the project parts truck, we got the Urban Bourbon, and today is about the Urban Bourbon. So if you guys do come down here, you can kind of see, I don't know if I have footage of it in the sun or anything, but we have wrapped this fender here on the Urban Bourbon. So a couple different things. I don't actually know that I like the color, but I'm gonna go ahead now and wrap the hood and see if maybe we can get the color results that I like. I don't know, as of now, I'm not really sure this is a color for this vehicle, but we're gonna wrap a hood, and I have the old hood off of here. But we're gonna go ahead and wrap. We're not gonna use this hood. As you can tell, there's some dings and scratches, and this hood's in pretty bad shape here. It looks really good on the vehicle when you see it from afar, but there are a lot of imperfections in here, some deep scratches, and we're not gonna use this hood. So we went ahead, and as you do know, we did make the purchase of this 05 up here, but I went ahead and we're gonna use this hood because there's no dents. It just had a bunch of stone chips. So I went ahead already and got all the stone chips out of it. Now we're gonna go ahead and just wrap this hood here and kind of see what it looks like. So I don't think I'm gonna primer it because I don't think it's gonna matter. It's not like a longevity type of thing, but if I was gonna do this longevity, I would go ahead and, you know, put some primer on it and go from there. But this, I don't think we're gonna worry about. This is just like a trial and error piece to see if I actually like the color on the truck. So if I like it, we're gonna keep it. If I don't, it's gonna go. So let me get this wrapped here, and then we will go somewhere in the sunlight, and I'll show it off to you guys. So fingers crossed. Wait, fingers crossed, not thumbs up. Thumbs ups, I mean, you can stop and give it a like right now, but fingers crossed. I can't cross my fingers. Maybe I can do these. I don't know. Who knows? All right, let's get going. Good place to put a merch plug, SenatSteveMerch.com. You can get yourself some great knives. Definitely check them out. I'm not going to use it obviously for the whole project, but as you can tell, it cuts it through like butter. So SenatSteveMerch.com. Head on over and buy some merch. We don't just have knives either. There we go. That's probably a much better place to try to do this at. So I'm going to go ahead and get a cloth here real quick and wipe this down. Like I said, guys, we're not trying to make this perfect. This is just kind of trial and error to see if we like the color on the truck, and we'll go from there. So yeah, let me wipe this down and we'll be right with you. All right, I've got a lot of it actually laid down. You can see there is a big crease here, but I'm going to definitely be able to massage that out. The sun is definitely my friend in this situation. It's making it definitely stretch a lot easier. So I'm going to actually move this into a spot where I have sun, and I know I'm gonna have sun for a while. Might end up using my neighbor's yard over here, but I'm gonna stretch this over into the sun, and I know I'll be able to get like a lot of this stuff out. I mean, actually there's really not much in it other than, you know, here, this big piece here, which I'm gonna actually just stretch over this way. It'll all come out, so just bear with me. This stuff is actually a lot easier than I thought it would ever be to use. I definitely, you know, you got to have patience, that's for sure. I'm definitely struggling with that when you start to think about it, but you definitely got to have patience. Definitely the sun has helped me drastically. Sometimes it's not the best. As you can tell by the paper back here, it's definitely a little bit windy today, so it probably wasn't the best day to do this, but you can see it's blowing up back there. But yeah, definitely let me get it in the sun here and see if I can't finish this up. So far it looks freaking killer, especially when the sun hits it. I mean, I think I actually like it a lot better than I thought I was going to. So let me get it out in the sun here, and we'll continue. If anyone ever says you can't do stuff by yourself, tell them they're full of crap. Get out there and get some stuff done. All right, let's get these wrinkles out. Give you guys a little bit of a preview again here. I got the wrinkles out except for this side. So this whole side of the hood from, you know, your crease down is laid in and in place. That looks actually pretty good for being, like I said, this is 100% my first wrap that I've ever done. So for those wrinkles to come out, it looks freaking great. Now we're gonna work on this side here. Sure you can see them, and obviously we got a couple more wrinkles over here because of the process, but it'll all come out actually pretty well. Like, I'm actually really surprised that this side came out as well as it did. So let me go ahead and keep going, and we'll have the hood done here in the next, I don't know, 20 minutes. Alrighty, well, as you guys do see here, we were able to get all of the marks out of the center here, and you know what, guys, the more I look at this color in a bigger panel, I actually like it. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Now, I did mess up a little bit on this edge here. You'll be able to tell, not sure if you can see it in the video, but there's kind of like a fish eye. I did have to pull a little tighter than I'd like. Definitely got some discoloration out of it just right here in this corner. But I mean, for it being my overall first wrap, I'm actually really impressed that I was able to get it and, you know, be where we're at. So I'm gonna finish up trimming it off real quick here, and there is a little imperfection. Can you see there? There was actually 3 that I remember. Right here, there must have been some wind that blew and threw some dirt up under the wrap. But guys, I'm doing this literally outside in the dirt, and I just wanted to see if it was easy to do, hard to do. I had no idea going into this project what this was gonna be, but this thing came out freaking killer. So let me trim off what I gotta trim, and we're gonna get it on the Urban Bourbon and go into the sunlight where we can really see the Urban Bourbon in full purple, full camo, color change, color shift, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna go see the Urban Bourbon in full color shift mode, man. All right, let's hurry up. I'm actually thoroughly impressed by my wrap job, guys, and I know some of you will probably see it and pick it apart, or I mean, I don't really think you can pick it apart, but some of you probably do this professionally, would not like how I did it, but I think it's gonna look great. Make sure my hood don't overlap that side. Looks pretty good, actually. All right, let's get it out in the sun. All right, now that it is actually out away from the house, you know, it's definitely difficult, like I said, to capture that color, you know, in the shift. I'm gonna try to go somewhere else where I know there's a hill and it might, you know, put it up in the air a little bit so that the sun hits it properly, or I might have to come back tomorrow and it might be in the very beginning of tomorrow's video. But I mean, this this was my first wrap ever, guys. Like, I think it came out absolutely killer. You can tell I didn't do much prep work on this front fender. Like, I didn't sand out. That was a dent there. That actually was probably dirt that I didn't get out, but I didn't prep this surface, you know, super good, and I think it came absolutely, I think it came out absolutely amazing for the little bit of time, the little bit of effort I really have into this. So this fender here, I might have a total of 45 minutes into the hood. I might have a total of, I don't know, I might have an hour into the hood. I'm not sure, guys, but when you see this in public, you're gonna actually think like, wow, this guy knew what he was doing, sort of. But I definitely didn't. Very first wrap. So let me climb up on the tire here and see if I can actually capture this this color shift for you guys. I can't just find the right amount of light that will display this coloring, and I mean, it's definitely a difficult color to see unless you're right on top of it. The sun's got to be hitting at the absolute perfect angle for you to actually see this, and the GoPro obviously is not pulling it up whatsoever, which is sort of a little frustrating. But it also, you know, goes in to describe the actual true color of this thing. It's a hard color to capture, and like I was saying, I don't think the Urban Bourbon has the curvature for this style wrap, for this color changing wrap. I don't know. Drop your comments. I'm up in the air. I'm confused. I don't know which way I want to do it. I definitely don't want to continue wrapping if I'm not going to like the whole thing, because obviously we do know wrap is expensive, and as you do know, well, you probably don't know, but right now I am probably, I'd say, I don't know, probably 9 feet off of a 100-foot roll. So if we are going to use it for something else, I definitely have enough to do another vehicle. So now's a good, you know, halfway point to where I should stop. I mean, I don't know, guys. You guys are going to have to definitely let me know in the comments down below which way I should take it. But there you guys have it. Again, I want to do a big announcement tomorrow for the OBS. It is done. I was supposed to go to Danny's today and go down there and kind of, you know, bring it home, shoot a video, whatever. I know he's got to wire up the lights, and I think there was something else that he had to do before I could actually bring it home, but he's got it painted, he's got everything done, and I am freaking excited to reveal that vehicle for you guys. I think you guys are gonna absolutely love it. It's definitely sort of, you know, a little bit different than the themes that we've been doing on the channel, but it's a freaking killer look, to say the least. But there you guys have it. If you like the content, again, please give it a big thumbs up. That really helps me out, guys. You have no idea how much a thumbs up really actually means. Please subscribe, and we got a bunch more content coming at you guys. So take care, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to drop your comment. What do? Do we keep going, wrap the whole thing, and just say the heck with it? This was my first wrap ever. Or do we just kind of, you know, cut our losses where we're at and just move on? But let me know, guys.